Hello everyone, in this video I am going to show how we can use Symbology tool to prepare map. For example, we need to prepare the map of this watershed. This is the watershed and under it there is municipality. These are so how we can represent it and how we can show it in a different color. For that we have to go here, then right click property, go here symbology, then category. In the category what we have to select the municipality. This is the municipality attribute. That attribute we have to select, add value. We don't want this, and we can change the color also from here, which color you want. Okay, and then after apply. Okay, in this field it will appear, and after going to the layout view we can prepare a better map. Thank you.